Hi, I'm Garbini from Urban Roots Self-Defense. Today, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a wrist roller. The wrist rollers are awesome for building up your forearms and building strength and stability for your punches to help keep your wrist straight and help you avoid injuries. Come and join me. The equipment that you'll need is a drill, socket wrench, crescent wrench, carabiner, screw, washer, and nut, length of chain, usually around 4 feet, and a wooden dowel. So we've got our dowel. We've measured halfway in the dowel. We've got our screw, and it's important that our drill bit is just a little bit bigger than our screw. So we can make a hole that we can just pass it through. So if you ever need to replace it, we can take it out easily. So we're going to start our drill in the middle, starting it off slow, just so that that drill doesn't move around a whole lot. An alternative way to do this would be use smaller drill bits and then working your way up till you have the right diameter. But what we're doing, this is going to work just fine. So once we've got it passed through there, it's still a little bit rough. So we're going to hit it one more time just to clean it up. And there we have it. Once you've drilled your hole, we're going to be taking the washer, the screw, taking it through, passing it through the dowel. We're going to be taking the length of our chain. Really important that my chain is larger than the screw so it can fit around it. Taking the washer above, then securing the nut. From here I'm going to use the crescent wrench just to keep it in place. Socket wrench is going to tighten it. If I ever want to take it apart, I want to make sure I don't over tighten this. Now taking the other length of the chain and a weight of your choosing, I'm going to take the length through the middle of the plate weight. Now I'm going to attach a carabiner, passing it through both lengths. Make sure your carabiner is rated for the weight that you're going to be pulling. Passing it through both sides. And we've just made our first wrist roller. Thanks for joining us today on our tutorial video on how to make a wrist roller. Hope you guys enjoyed it and learned something in the process. Again, these wrist rollers are fantastic for building up your wrist strength and stability. We'll roll it all the way to the top. Once you get to the top, unrolling it slowly. Don't let it go. Once you guys get here, rolling it back in the other direction. Yes, this direction should be a lot harder than the other. This is a great exercise to practice 3 days a week, just to that point of fatigue. Help keep your wrists nice and strong, keep your wrists staying healthy and injury-free. If you guys are interested in more exercises like these, come join our urban conditioning course. We have classes 6 days a week for urban conditioning, and please be sure to check us out on our website, urbanrootsselfdefense.com, on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, and we look forward to seeing you guys next time. Thank you.